Unless you've been under a rock for the past month, you should know already that the community tab is coming to more creators on YouTube, and that could be you. Yes, that's right. If you've got under 500 subscribers, it doesn't matter anymore because you could get access to the community tab. And one of the biggest features within the community tab is the polls. We love the polls option because it gives you more reach, more impressions, and it's super engaging. What I'm going to show you today is how you can use this tool, Peppertype, in order to be able to create those tools for you. We're going to use the AI software to write the questions and the answers, which means you don't have to come up with them. Let me show you how. So we're going to scroll down the bottom here and we've got this option, poll, question and answers. We're going to click on it and it's going to open it up. So as you just saw, Peppertype has a lot of options, but this is the one we're going to use today. So this is my question. It's going to be quite a broad question, and what's going to happen is the AI is going to break this question down and give us different options. I would always recommend a question in here. Then we're always going to use the advanced options, and we're going to put my audience. So I'm going to target it at millennials, and then I'm going to go for an informative tone. You can do whatever matches your particular audience. Hit create content, and the AI technology inside of Peppertype is going to work, and it's going to create our copy for us. And here we have it. These are our outputs. For the first one, what's the most important thing to consider when creating a keyword list? And these are my 4 options. I can now go ahead and I can copy and paste these directly into the community tab polls option of my YouTube channel. And then these will be my 4 options again that I would cut and paste across. I can copy the whole thing if I want to save it into a Word document. I can save it inside of Peppertype itself by hitting save. If there's any particular outputs I don't like, then I can give it a thumbs down. If there is one I really like that first one there, I can give it a thumbs up. The more feedback you give to the AI, the better the output will be for you over time. If I'm not happy with any of them, I've got a couple of options. I can go back to edit details if I feel like maybe my question wasn't good enough or the parameters were not good enough, or I can hit create more outputs and that will give me more options. Just be aware every time I do that, I'm using up more of my word count. But I now have got over a week's worth of polls here that I can take, save and use on my channel in order to boost engagement, get more impressions and hopefully grow my channel. If you found this video useful, please consider subscribing. There's a video on the screen now. It's about Quora marketing. It's a little hack you can use AI in order to help promote your YouTube channel or your business or your service within Quora, saving you huge amounts of time. Watch that video now and we'll see you in the next one.